Hey Shukornatat, welcome back to Shukorna Bahabi. Can make anyhom kubrat azab to Shukorna Bahabi. The Maanti Temelisa Lohu, Hadish Merabka, Adariel Kamadlohu, Tesfaya Gabert Photo Tohono, Hadish Izunkwa, Hatrus or subscribe to Gavru Kalaha. Welcome Kukona of the family, na Shukorna, Nidalia Kumina, Karabu Masana Honu. So, the Maati Adariel Kamdalohu Medeb, Nai. تخاططون تخونكم اب انستغرام تفوتيهم كم دمرعوا للخوك قريبه يا خمرعوا بزحات سبقا حتى مني مدالوت ناي مرعاخي ايرينا كم تنا اسمراخي كي در اخنا كموها ايرينا ناي مرعاخي كمي غير كي تدالو اللخي بيلو ابيخي كي تجز اللخي قال بزحات سبب محاتهم مني حجي تناتمكم ريكوست كاس معلقو حجز كمو خينا ازي مدب قريب عدالي دلخو زي مدب تسفاخا يقبل فوتو تخونو ميبي يحجزكم خونو يخون بزحات اللخن تمرعوا ميبي ايديا خاهبا كنكون ابي دغز خو بيلو قلمله تريخن ميبي دس اذا كنكا او هيك انت جزات خونا you know so كمو خينا حرايله غيريو جن برايفت اخو قبل لنا مجمره جن نحن بزحات سبب محاتهم مني حجي تايلوت اقامي لأجريو so yeah so New York كيدا نرى New York City أو خيدا جدي نرى كنانة أب كلاينفيلد كلا دكان كذا خكوها أب كتماية فيلادلفيا خيدا نرى أو so أبزين كتبوا تاتي خري أكن أبي جزء إيو تكران to experience مس محلتي مس عدي قال ملا كتريوهم yeah so بزح كرانة مريت بزح كرانة تخرينه كمرت جنت هذا مرت أكران عب مرعى معلتيهم كلاتكم كتروا عريقكم ندمرت كوا كران surprise you even حتى فلتني تاكران دمرت كوا كل نجار surprise you so كتريوهم كل تكران ده جوركو جن هذا مرت كوا عيد فوتوانهم yeah so كريوكم مسو نشوفها بإنجليش كانتهم English سمعوا followers نتاخا بإنجليش كده خناقرام. So guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know I am getting engaged and well, I'm not getting engaged. I am engaged and I'm getting married. So a lot of you guys requested for me to do a video where I was vlogging my experience with my wedding and stuff. So I decided that I'll do that. I was gonna keep it private. But, you know, a lot of you guys want to see it. And I was like, hey, why not, you know? So I'll show you bits and pieces of my experience with planning my wedding and pretty much my whole wedding dress vlog. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. I purchased my dress from Kleinfeld and I also purchased my dress here in Philadelphia at a boutique. So you guys will see the dresses that I had a lineup of, but you guys won't know which dress I picked. Even my fiance doesn't know which dress I picked. The dress I picked, you guys won't know until the wedding day. So, I hope you guys like this video. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be a part of the family. Be a part of the Shukorna family. And yeah, so next week or in a couple weeks when it's finished being editing, I will be posting. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know I had a really nice, beautiful bridal shower, and a lot of my family members that are across the world want to see this video, so I'm gonna post it and make it public for everyone to see it. So yeah, so in a couple weeks I'll have that up for you guys. كم دبلكم اب انستغرام تخاططون تخونكم اب انستغرام تفوتيهم كم زي مفانوي bridal shower قرام ديننا محلتي مس دراي خوينم دقابر لي قبجا كريكمه بزحت اللهم family كل كرنات عالم دلهم بأوروبا بأمريكا بإيرترا كل دلهم بيتسابي فامناتي كتروا تدليهم زي فيديو حجي public جورة نقول سب كريو خا تسفها قبره فوتوات خون زي فيديو تدرجها فيديو ناي bridal shower بزحت اب انستغرام جرفوا اب انستغرام بزح سبي خلوا دل دلله مع السخط جوريو مع السخط جوريو مدابلو inbox تا جورة لي message تلمني عند الله جن أبزك 4 كل نجار تأديت جري توديو كزرقو حق أبزك 4 maybe next week ديو أبغى تصمم ديو قال كزرقو حق anyways until سو زرقو حق زي أنا مدبنا بيلو كتروا أخم تسفاي قبل فوتوات خانو بزحي اللي تفعله بزحي زعرب له حجين زي مدب نتو let's get into the video hope you guys like it I'll see you guys very soon ciao شكوناتات
like. I don't know if you guys noticed, but people from other. That's not the feet.
What video kayo?
Oh, it's video, so I don't have to look at the camera.
Yeah.
Anywho,
vlogging.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
no, but what was this? Someone told me like
People
like,
from other countries?
people from other countries, but like the black people, because African Americans, like we're not African Americans, we're just Jamaican, or they're from a different parts. How do you
I'm
feel?
black.
You're like I'm black. All right.
I mean, Jamaican, like, it's only the skin tone.
I mean, Africans, you guys are.
Mhm.
I was like, no, yes, we all are Africans. It don't make no sense
Yeah.
to me. Like, you know?
I let them know I'm African. I'm like, yeah, I'm straight from Africa.
Oh, well, good for them, you know? I mean, everybody is.
No,
couple,
I'm
but
with
nobody
you. I agree on
admits
that.
it, you know? But
Yeah,
at the end of the day, we all are African. Like, could you white people?
Right.
They all are from Europe or Ghana. Like,
Right,
They don't know where they're from.
They don't know where they're from, but they keep saying, "Oh, my mom comes," but they just make things.
Not Uber, our Lyft. Like
Listen,
half
the
in
Lyft-
English and half in freaking Tigrinya is cracking me up right now.
And he understands.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
And you understood, like when I said the guy was ugly, I said in a whole different language, and you started laughing with them. I was like, no, he did not just understand me. And the reason I said that because I didn't want you to like, be like, yo, this girl's crazy. She just called him ugly.
Trust me, I have. No, you guys wouldn't even touch the line of crazy.
Yeah. So I was like, oh, I need to change it up and put it in a whole different language.
But like we're like talking, right? And we're trying to like tell you certain things, but then we're saying like little things in our language, and you're like, yeah,
I
and
was like,
you
no,
like going with it.
that's why I had to look.
You sure you're not
through his little
Eritrean? You
mirror.
sure you
Yeah, I was
Jamaican?
like, he's not Eritrean, right? All right, we're good.
No, no.
Shit.
He low key. I think he's Eritrean, but he don't want to tell us.
Maybe I'll check my history when I go.
Yeah, because you over here, we're talking about unkol, which means like, you know what I'm saying? Like certain kufa, which means ugly, and you going with it. Like you're like, yeah, you agreeing with us or disagreeing? I don't know, you guys. I think our Lyft driver is Eritrean, but he don't want to tell us.
You know, those Eritreans are very embarrassed of it.
You know, they'd be embarrassed to say what they are. So
He might be one of those. You never know. So have you lived in New York all your life,
Yeah, I
or?
have.
Oh, okay. And what do you think of this town? Of this city, I guess, not really.
City,
Town.
alright. Manhattan, boo. Manhattan's boo. I like Brooklyn because I'm from Brooklyn. There's a lot of things to do in Brooklyn. It's not so congested like how the city's always congested.
and they have really like beautiful homes over there, right?
Yeah,
The
they have
townhomes.
even Queens too.
Queens, yeah.
Okay.
If you guys looking for food, come to Brooklyn. There's a lot of food everywhere. Things are cheaper. You know.
Cheaper where?
In Brooklyn.
Because we just spent $175 for some shit that we
Where?
could make at home. Kabahichi awin kina.
Where did you guys go?
Some Ethiopian restaurant. You know how they are. They be charging you up.
I think it's because you're in Manhattan.
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
It's probably
But it was
because
good
you're in
food. I'm not gonna say it wasn't. It was
Yeah,
good
but it
food.
doesn't probably didn't match the price. and
175.
The portions.
It fed all of us, but you know,
Yeah, it did
still,
feed all of us. It was 6 of
like,
us,
They,
so.
they made money today.
So
They really
between all
did.
three of you guys, you spent 130.
Oh no. It was like
173.
170.
But with that, drinks
food?
included.
no. It was only 3 of us. It was how many? All of us. There were 6 of us.
It was 6. That's what I said.
Yeah.
6
I'm
people.
sorry.
75.
It's not too bad.
Doesn't sound too tough.
I guess coming from a countryside of the world.
Yeah, she's from
Everything's
Lancaster.
like $2.99.
And we're from
Oh,
Philly.
no.
Yeah, we're from Philly. She's from
Philly's like $50.
which we call Lancaster Hagarasev, which means the village in our
It
language.
literally
Okay,
is a village. Like
Yeah.
horse and buggy be going through the roads.
That's where she's from. Yes. You never been there?
No.
You gotta go see
Oh,
it.
you have
It's
to go
Amish
see it.
town, bro. It's really Amish. These people.
They're
are-
nice though.
What do you mean
I'm
they're
sure
nice?
Kleinfeld, yeah, we're here. Oh my
Condominium, honey.
gosh. Thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you guys.
See you, Terry. I'm taking a video. What video ka rin sa dalawang sa akin son? Yeah, YouTube ka ka tuzi. What? Yeah, how much has time ko na?
Delete that post.
What dahan? Edit go re. Okay, so I'm here, Miss Hawate. Mize made of honor of Zalawa, and we're here at Kleinfeld. Atina na haji. Kan atuina bedo kan rakib. Kala ay kanane. But I don't think buo kon kanta atu Aryan. But yeah. So yeah, so we're here. Haji. Cupcake people من اللوز يوم تعدوا سبت. Wine kala hiba من اللوز. بابا كاهيبا من اللوز يوم تعدوا سبت. بس very كتب بزيف تشمون. هراي تبغى.
Okay, next time.
Huh?
Just really pretty.
كنا حجي أب كلاينفيلد نيويورك اللخو كنا نخجزت ناي مرعى Miss Candice اللخو. Candice is my bridal consultant at Kleinfeld, so if you come to Kleinfeld, New York, ساعات حجزها كمان بس حتى الله, but this is my girl today. So كران كان رأينا حجي, so تا كتري واخم تانا دا كبرى كرانات. Bye guys.
To the left? Face me. Face me.
So I'm going to my first bridal appointment for my dress. Floria, say hi. She's my mommy. حاجة خد كيدا مساين bridal store خن كيدي نحجي كمرت بيلو كمرت.
Nice. You got jiffy gun. It's very good. Really big. What Where do I stand?
You can go on the pedestal there to the.
Oh yeah, that's how it.
I'm really alive right now.
Don't be crying.
You like it, Mommy? Yeah. Good jiffy. Yeah.
So then around the hem, there are these panels of embroidery, just adding more detail and then more in the back. And a little bit more in the back there as well.
I add on cut.
Yeah, because it ties it on the bottom size on the What you guys doing? Do I look like princess? That's what I'm going for.
All right, so let me get a veil. And you said you wanted a long veil.
Oh, veil! Look.
I'm not gonna cry.
You are. You can.
I can't cry for the first dress, man. I have to like grow some cojones, man.
I like it.
Yeah, it was nice.
That's what you were going for, too.
I want a long sleeve. What you think, Mommy?
Let's see what you think when we put a veil on. So this is just one idea for a veil with the lace at the end, unless you wanted it plain. Okay, so turn a little bit more towards the mirror. Veil makes the bride, right?
Yes, definitely.
بقول لك بالله نشتري
This is a lot of dress.
بدي خيازة
Yeah, majamara dresses, yeah. Do you have ones that have also the front?
Sure, so that's a separate veil that gets attached.
Yeah.
And that's called a blusher veil. Let me just see if I can find one here.
بالسين كان بيع إذا هبيت ولا
So I'm just opening them and just giving it a stand.
This makes me hot too. I gotta take a little bit of this.
What do you think?
I really like the details of it.
Yeah.
You do or you don't?
I really like the details.
You really do?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see that there. See now.
هاي زي أفكستير زي أفوكسة حفا بالحبيب
I like this one.
Me too. This is good too. It's not heavy, this one.
Right, right.
This is
And the details a little more all over.
Yeah.
So would this be considered A-line?
Yeah, it's like a fuller A-line. Yeah, because it doesn't have the pleated waist area.
Let's see what else we have. This is really pretty. I like the sleeves.
Yeah, the top and
Yeah. Just imagine when it's like, you know, like details. Yeah. Lovely. Oh, I said so. Yes.
We can get more lace if you wanted to, you know, yeah, like say you wanted like a flutter sleeve, maybe something like that.
Pictures or recording? I'm recording.
Pictures recording doesn't matter.
Okay, because you're like going down slowly.
Oh, happy. So I want to show my mother-in-law.
Pretty, right?
Yes. Very good. House. Type of house.
Oh, I found it.
House, yeah.
I like it because my waist looks really small.
So again, why don't you turn towards the mirror?
Oh, you snatched up there.
Because it really makes my waist look slim. I don't have to really wear too much of underside.
Right. This has really nice like support in it, so once it's like done in your size and just closes up. And then of course like this all gets custom adjusted, one just by ordering it in the right size, but then custom tailoring it to fit you.
Yeah.
So this is better than the first one then?
Yeah, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
This is better. Yeah, I really like this one.
عارف ياخذ فوتو حابن
عارف بعضهم كم سرحوا تخرن
What?
نزلنا كتريقة.
Comes my Megan. Simple.
I don't like Megan.
We don't even have a dress like that right now. I guess in a few months maybe we'll get something in.
Simple for her.
Yeah.
Good.
That's not my style.
Almost everyone though that I've talked to, and of course we've talked to so many people, and just even within the store, we felt like the initial impression was that it was too simple.
Yeah.
She should have.
It's
She could have had something.
Should have
you know.
jazzed it up a little bit. I wasn't
A little
expecting that
bit.
from her because she's American. You know, and I thought she was gonna be like, damn, like this is how you do it in America.
Yeah.
You know?